Bonjour mes étudiants. In this video, we'll learn les articles indéfinis et définis, that is, indefinite and definite articles in French. Here, in all of these sentences, un, une, and they are indefinite articles. These are used for referring to an indefinite noun or when we do not know whom the object belongs to. In French, we call them les articles indéfinis. Take a look at this table to understand better. Les articles indéfinis. Un is used for a masculine noun, une for a feminine noun, and they for plural noun. This brings us to one very important point. Always remember that in French, every object or every noun has some gender. This means whenever you are using an article, it is important to know the gender of the object or the noun. Now, this was for when we do not know to whom or to what the object belongs. In case we need to specify, for example, to whom or to what it belongs to, we would make use of definite articles. And in French, we call them les articles définis. Look at a few examples once again. When I say c'est un drapeau, I mean this is a flag. At this moment, I don't have any other information on the flag. When I say c'est le drapeau de France, I mean this is the flag of France. The definite article le replaces indefinite article un. Why? Because we are referring to the flag of France in specific. The preposition de means of. Look at another example now. C'est une carte. It means this is a map. Now when I say c'est la carte d'Europe, it means this is the map of Europe. Hence the definite article la replaces indefinite article une. The preposition de converts to d apostrophe since the next word Europe starts with a vowel. Okay, so now in the plural form, they is replaced by les. Ce sont des drapeaux. These are some flags. When you want to say these are the flags of different countries, you would say ce sont les drapeaux de différents pays. Similarly, ce sont des cartes, which means these are some maps, changes to ce sont les cartes de différents pays. These are the maps of different countries. So basically, whenever you are specifying some information about a noun, you would use definite articles, that is les articles définis. Now look at the table below to get a better idea. Le is used for masculine nouns, la for feminine nouns, and les for plural nouns. But hold on, there's one more thing you need to know. According to the rule of vowels, le or la will convert to l apostrophe if the next word starts with a vowel. For example, it will be c'est l'eau de toilette de France and not c'est la eau de toilette de France. Look at this table for more clarity. Here you can clearly see le is used for a masculine object, la for a feminine object, l apostrophe for a word that starts with a vowel, and les for those which are plural, whether they are masculine or feminine, but if they are plural, we use les. Here too, you need to be aware that to use these articles, you need to know the gender of the object or the noun and the number also. Les articles indéfinis et les articles définis sont les sujets très importants dans la langue française. Indefinite and definite articles are very important topics in French language. So congrats on getting a very important topic done. Now, here is a question for you. This is my friend's pen. Which type of article would we use in this sentence? Definite or indefinite? And why? Answer in the comment section below. One lucky winner would receive an Internshala trainings merchandise. Hope you enjoyed learning les articles indéfinis et définis, that is, indefinite and definite articles in French. This video is a part of Internshala Training's French language program, and to learn one of the world's most popular language, visit the link in the description. To learn exciting new concepts and skills on the go, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red bell icon and stay tuned for more videos. To learn exciting new concepts and skills on the go, follow Internshala and